really bored at home. You don't have to be bored alone. Grab your paints and grab your scissors, your googly eyes and glue. Now that all your tools are handy, you can search this up on YouTube. Family Saturdays at home, Family Saturdays at home. The craftiest, the wackiest, with friends across the town. Family Saturdays at home, Family Saturdays at home. If you want to see what we're making, we encourage you to stick around. This week we have something brand new. There's an artist that lives within you. Let's get started, let's begin to make awesome crafts from home. Family Saturdays at home, Family Saturdays at home. You can be the star of your own show with Family Saturdays at home.
Hi, my name is Oliver. Today's experiment is exploding hearts. Kaboom! So what you want to have here is, okay, I forgot what. Cornstarch, citric acid, and baking soda. I have two here, as you can see. So you want to grab your 1 cup and pour it all into your bowl. Then you need another and pour the next one into the whole entire bowl. Then you want to pour both cups of these into the bowl. I'm just going to put some in there. Then you want to have baby oil and grab 1 tablespoon of spoon. Then you want to undo your baby oil and pour perfect. Then you want to grab some spoons and stir it up. It's gonna get harder. Mixed it up. You might want to add something that smells good for your mom or your sweetheart. So that's what I'm gonna do with this coconut oil. I'm gonna pour some in, and then I might want to stir it into the bowl so that it sticks a little better in. Then, once you're done stirring, even though blue is my favorite color, today is a Valentine's Day video, so I'm losing red. So that's what I'm going to do now. Is pour in some bits of red all around. Then I am going to mix the red in. So now that you mixed your red in, you are going to take some out of your bowl and jam it into a heart cookie cutter. Don't eat it, because it's not supposed to be a cookie. Because remember, it's exploding. So you're gonna jam a whole bunch in for your Valentine's Day experiment. It might be a little messy, though. Then you might want to jam in something special in a little more so that you can cover it up. Then, when it's the morning, when it's tomorrow, I can finish my experiment. Bye! So, I got one thing about this experiment. Now, if you do it in the middle of the morning, then it would wait long enough that they would get hurt. I would take them out earlier than now because they are super hard now. If you have too much of this, of the mix, then you will have to make more with cookie cutters. So after you do this, then you have to grab a cup of water, or you can bring it into the bath and pour the water into the bowl. Then you grab your mix and put it in. See what happens? It's exploding. See what's happening? See how it exploded? Super pink.